Okay, so what we have here is a Ferrari 328 exterior rear view mirror switch that has a left and a right position, and of course the standard up, down, left, and right larger button here. Matt here is holding it in the position it normally is in the car with the car ahead of us, and we have gone through this problematic switch, which is a fairly complex switch, because it activates both a clutch mechanism in the window as well as polarity reversing. So each contact is fairly convoluted in its function, but we've got it working because the springs and detents in this switch are designed in such a way that they just simply cannot handle high amperage. As a matter of fact, we checked it on 9 amps and immediately melted one of the contacts. So we've got back in there and re-established all conductivities throughout the switch, and it works fine. So let's just do a quick demo here, Matt.
So I'm set to the driver's side mirror because we only have one mirror hooked up. So I can go
There you go.
up, down, and in and out.
You can see by the mirror activating here that that it works perfectly fine now. Again, a poor original equipment design. We've actually modified a BMW Z3 switch to fit in one of these casting housings. It's a much more expensive operation than this repair because this one was able to, we were able to deal with our repairs on this one. So everything is fine, and this job is done. Thank you for your attention.